Hi guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. This is going to be my skin before this look, before I put all my makeup on, and today I'm going to be doing a graphic liner look. So the first step is going to be primer. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer as my base for my foundation. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my fingers and rub this all over my face. Now I'm taking my towel out because, my dumbass forgot to. So now I'm going to be putting on my foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. I'm just going to put a little bit on my cheeks. And it is a little bit darker, but I'm going to put concealer on later to lighten this up. And I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. And I also make sure to blend it over to my ears and down my neck. That's why I make the double chin look, so that I can do that. And I'm also taking a brush right now to further blend this down so that I can get rid of any of the orange streaks that I get from wearing a darker foundation. But this is a really good foundation, so that's why I use it. And this is the foundation after I have it on. Now I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer Foundation in the color Light, and I'm putting this underneath my under eyes to conceal them and to also brighten up my face. And I'm also going to blend this out with the same beauty blender that I used. Alright, now I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to be taking the lightest color in the top left. And I'm just going to be taking a brush and putting this powder shade underneath my eyes to set it. And I put a generous amount. TBH. Just pack it on. And I'm also going to be putting the same powder all over the rest of my face to set the rest of my foundation so that it's not so sticky. And that's so that I can apply more powder and blend it more easily. Thinking ahead. That's what I'm doing. Alright, there's that. Oh yeah, girl. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild contouring and highlight duo thing. I'm taking the contouring shade and contouring my face. And I just start on my cheekbones near my ear and blend it down towards my mouth. And I just pack this color on more and more so that I can get the desired kind of opacity that I want. And I also put this on my forehead as well, and I just think that it looks really nice. So now I'm just taking this really pan-hit blush. I'm taking this blush brush from MAC and applying this onto my cheekbones. And now I'm taking my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and I'm taking this brush right here that has no name, and I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones, as well as my eyebrow bone, and my nose, and everywhere that you need to apply highlighter on the daily. I also put it other places, I just didn't show it. Anyways, now I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color medium brown, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. My very much needed to be filled in eyebrows, I might add. I'm just taking an angled eyebrow brush and taking this pomade and just filling them in. And after I fill them in all the way completely, I take a black eyeshadow, as you can see here, and I further fill them in. And I do this because my actual eyebrow natural hair is black, and the pomade that I use is more of a brown. So I do this to just color match my actual hairs better. And now I'm just doing the same thing to the other eyebrow. Alright, so here are my eyebrows finished. Almost finished. Okay, so now my eyebrows finished. I'm going to take this Ulta eyeshadow, and I don't know the name of it at this time, but comment below if you want it. And I'm just taking the natural light to put this on, because it was kind of hard to see in my room light. And then right after this, I'm going to be putting on my eyeliner. That is going to be the graphic liner, as you can see here. And I messed up on this other eye that you can see here, but I didn't show it because that's just how I am. But I did tell you, so I messed up. But I did fix it, and it turned out pretty well, I believe. So now I'm taking this Huda Beauty lipstick, and I don't have the name because I don't have my makeup with me right now, but comment below if you want to know what it is. And I'm just taking a small brush and applying this between the liner on my lids. And now I'm going to be taking my Violet Voss palette, and I'm going to be taking this color in the top left called Flamingo, and I'm putting this on top of the liquid lipstick that I put on my eyeliner, as I put as my eyeliner. And this is just going to make the color pop a little bit more. And putting all this eyeshadow and liquid lipstick on my lids kind of blurred out my eyeliner, so I'm just going to take my eyeliner again after I put all this glitter eyeshadow on, just to build up in the lines again. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be doing that now. And again, this is just to build up those lines. Alright, so this is the eye look right here, and I think it turned out pretty well. They're not completely similar, but I did the best that I can. So now I'm putting on mascara onto my top lashes. Look at that highlight. Young. And now I'm going to be putting on fake eyelashes. As you can see, I wave it around, blow on it, and wait 30 seconds until I put them onto my lid. And this is to make sure that they're sticky enough so that they stick and don't fall off. Alright, there's one down, and there's still one to go. So now I also take this eyelash tool and print my eyelashes together. And as you can see, I'm also doing it on this eye as well. I also do it with my fingers, because, you know, same thing. Alright, so this is the look, all finished. Simple graphic eyeliner. And I forgot to do my bottom lashes, so I just quickly put on a pink eyeshadow and just put on a layer of mascara to finish off the bottom lashes that I completely forgot about, honestly. And my lips too, which I'm doing here also. I'm taking the same liquid lipstick that I put on my eyeliner and putting this on my lips. And this is what I think is a really good thing to do to just match the makeup. And that will be the last step of this look. So, hell yeah, this is the look. And I'm just going to get up into this natural light in front of my window so that you guys can see this a lot better. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this look and that you might try it out yourself. And you'll also give this video a thumbs up and that you may even subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, especially colorful ones that are really creative. That's me. So yeah, have a nice day, guys. Bye.